Clapperboard push-ups. The right way. Stop wasting your reps. Quick question. Do you really own your push-ups? Or are your push-ups slowly destroying your shoulders and giving you zero chest gains? Because here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people doing push-ups aren't training their chest at all. They're just moving their arms up and down. Brain set the curiosity. And the scary part? You can do 50 push-ups a day for years and still build a weak chest, cranky shoulders, and no real strength. But today, I'm going to show you why that happens and how a small change can turn push-ups into a full upper body weapon. Not yet though. First, we need to expose the mistakes. Cross-mark most common push-up mistakes. Mistake number 1. The sagging body. This one is everywhere. Explain visually. Hips dropping. Lower back arching. Your body should be a straight steel bar. But most people look like a bent paperclip. Analogy, light bulb moment. Imagine building a skyscraper on wet sand. That's what sagging hips do. Your arms work harder while your core does nothing. And when the core fails, your shoulders pay the price. Mistake number 2. Elbows flared like chicken wings. If your elbows are pointing straight out, now, explain impact. Shoulder joint stress. Chest disengagement. You're turning a chest exercise into a shoulder strain. Later, I'll show you the exact elbow angle that unlocks chest activation. Remember this moment. Mistake number 3. Half reps, fake strength. Nose barely bends, chest never reaches the floor. That's not strength, that's ego reps. Short story. I once coached someone who could do 40 push-ups, but couldn't control 5 clean ones. When we fixed his depth, his chest grew for the first time ever. Brick foundation first, the correct setup. Before we talk reps, we build the foundation. Step 1. Hand placement. Hands slightly wider than shoulders. Fingers spread, gripping the floor. Don't just place your hands. Screw them into the ground like you're twisting jars. Mini science. This activates your chest and protects your shoulders. Step 2. Body line. Critical. Head, shoulders, hips, heels. One straight line. Analogy. Think plank, but moving. Ask viewer. If I pushed your hips right now, would you collapse? Step 3. Core and glutes. Squeeze your glutes. Brace your abs like someone's about to punch you. Light bulb. Push-ups are not just upper body. They're a full body movement. Repeat button wrong versus right form. Wrong. Elbows flared. Shoulders shrugging. Head jutting forward. Explain effect. Your shoulders take over. Your chest checks out, right? Elbows at 30-45 degrees. Shoulders packed down. Chest leads the movement. Key line. You don't push the floor away. You drive your chest through space. Pause for impact. Rocket the perfect push-up rep. The descent. Lower yourself in control. 2 to 3 seconds. Chest moving first. Elbows tracking back, not out. The bottom. Chest just above the floor. Koi. No collapsing. Push. Exhale. Drive through your palms. Chest rises first, then arms lock. Light bulb moment. If your triceps burn but your chest doesn't, your setup is wrong. Fire advanced tweaks. Once your form is clean, now we level up. Slow negatives, 3 to 4 seconds. Pause at the bottom. Slight hand rotation for chest focus. These aren't harder because they're fancy, they're harder because they're honest. White heavy checkmark recap. The right way. Straight body. Koi. Elbows tucked. Full depth. Chest leads. That's a real push-up. Direct hit final challenge and motivation. Here's your challenge. Drop right now and do 10 flawless reps. Not fast. Not sloppy. Perfect. Smile. If it feels harder than usual, that means you're finally doing it right. Master the basics, and your body will reward you.